a shocking crime from North Goa, where a Russian national has been arrested for the murder of two Russian women in separate incidents, both linked to money disputes. Mandrai police in Pedne Taluka registered two murder cases on January 16, 2026. The accused has been identified as Alexei Leonov. Police say he has confessed to both the crimes. The first incident took place on the night of January 15 at the rented room in Arambol. According to police, Leonov allegedly attacked his friend 37-year-old Elena Castanova after an argument over money. She suffered multiple injuries, including to the neck, and died on the spot. Leonov was arrested the following morning. In a second case, police found that another Russian woman, Elena Vaniva, also 37-year-old, was killed 2 days earlier at the rented residence in Morjim. Police say the accused assaulted her with a sharp object following a similar money-related dispute. Both cases have been registered under relevant section of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Act. Police confirm the accused is under arrest in both cases and further investigation is underway under the supervision of senior officers. This double murder has raised serious concern over safety and monitoring of rented accommodations in Goa coastal areas. We will continue to bring you updates as the investigation progresses.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.